up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, boys. As you can see, it's going up. It's going up. Going up now. Yeah, it's time, guys. The quest for 10s is happening, and just go ahead and tell you, and I've said it a million times, boys. We got the 430. Boom. And also, you already know. And I'll also post up a picture right here of the replacement for these bad boys. It's time to stop fooling around. We've had to put her on the back burner for a long time, but we're gonna finally do it. We're gonna go 10s with a truck motor, and then we're gonna do something else. But first, we had to prove we could do it. So this is the final chapter in this story. All right, y'all, quick update. Dover is rolling on, making quick work of the old swap, but there's the old gear. You can see 373. I guess we pretty much decided this is a Eaton True Track, Detroit True Track. But the good thing is everything looks freaking great. I mean, there's no issues at all. Haven't found any bearings or anything bad. The axles, of course, look great. 31 spline Mosers holding up, doing their thing. I'm freaking excited. I'm ready to get this 430 in. See what this bad boy's got. It should be rowdy. We'll find out here shortly.
We good. We good on all.
All right. Every time we're working, somebody comes by and stops the work. What are you doing, man?
Man, I'm trying to enjoy this beautiful day out here.
Right.
Making some turbo noise.
What is this? Come on now.
Well,
come on.
You know,
Do you not know the newest LMR discount code or what?
I got it. Dover just ain't put it on yet. He ain't got time.
I was gonna say. Look, I mean, he's got his painted 2x4 over there.
You got wood, ain't put wood on.
The hood struts?
Yeah, I got the hood struts. You just ain't put them on yet.
Looking good. Running good. How do you like it so far?
I like it.
Do you think he should go 100 miles an hour?
120 at least.
Yeah, see?
Only in Mexico, though.
Exactly, yeah. There she is, the man's gear. I've finally grown up and got a man's gear.
Yes. You say so.
I'm just, everybody's like, oh, you only got 430, where'd you get 456? I'm like, come on now.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a man's gear for sure. Look at that, Steve's Fab Shop is in the house.
Put your hammer in
Where is it? Yeah.
Look, you can use a hammer.
There it is. Good.
Well,
All right.
That stinks.
So Sarah's been here. She's been supervising the whole time, haven't you? It is all set up. Oh, we got 5,000s. It's tight.
It's great, yeah.
It's tight. It's gonna be epic. But about to put the diff cover back on, fill her up. Got the ends cleaned up. Gonna put the axles back in. Even put a new tail shaft seal in. That's, for some reason, it's been leaking forever, but got that fixed too, so no issues. This thing's gonna be a rocket sled out of the hole. Well, pretty much everywhere, but out of the hole is gonna be pretty scary. Maybe we'll drag the bumper. Who knows? Whoo! Yes. She's back on the ground.
Looks just like it did.
You did it.
Yeah.
You killed it. Again,
Really?
as always. Oh, man.
The tire's in the way.
Yeah, usually.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yes, guys. She's officially got the man gear in her.
And then back to the ground.
Be interesting to see what she does now, yeah?
Should feel different.
Should be a rocket ship. All right, boys. Let's see what she do. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and say big thumbs up on the freaking 430. Holy mother. Woo! I didn't even let it eat, guys. Jeez. Alright, guys, so we're cruising along. I've got it in fifth. And doing 75. 2,400 RPMs. I should have went 456s. I just should have. Man, I love it. I'm freaking. All right, and we good. Not going in the ditch today. Not going in the ditch. Woo. Big thumbs up. I'm not gonna lie, it is crazy how tight first gear is. Wow. It's just like, it's instant in the power band. That is crazy. Yep. Best mod yet. All right, boys, so I apologize. I didn't get to film an outro that day. We got the gear in, but took Dover down the road and it was starting to get dark and I wanted to get the car back home. Guys, I was making a mad dash to get out to the track Sunday. I even went locally and picked up some tires at a tire store here in town. Just trying. We were going to try to get to the track Sunday. And real quick about tires. Yes, boys. ET drags. These are the stiff walls. As you can see, per all the recommendations from my buddies that run Coyote Stock and the NMRA. But yeah, guys, we're not fooling around anymore. But long story short, guys, it did rain Saturday and then, or excuse me, Sunday. So we didn't get to the track. We didn't get to get the two-step on. We were going to try and do that Sunday. But again, it was raining. I was on drag tires. And then we also, we got home, I believe it was Sunday afternoon, and my driveway is kind of a hill, and we saw up under the car. We've officially made it all the way through my ET Street R's. Yeah, and if you saw the roads out near the shop where we test, that's where the rest of those tires are. So unfortunately, we did not make it. But we're very close. As you can see, very close. And real quick, I want to talk about the gear. All right, you're probably going to think I'm crazy, but with the 430 in it now, I see why a lot of guys were saying 456, 488. Obviously, it's very much dependent on the transmission you got, what the first gear is in the transmission you've got. That makes a big difference. But the secret to making a Coyote run down a drag strip as fast as, you know, these guys have been doing it in the 9s, all motor, with stock motors, is keeping it in its power band. And that's what the gear is effectively doing. And I see now why the 373 was holding me back so much. The way the car accelerates, the speed it builds now, just with the 430 is amazing. So I probably would have gone 456. Knowing what I know now, I probably would have gone ahead and gone 456. I don't know if I'd have gone 488s, but it's crazy to talk about this because back in the day, you know, 410s were like that was as far as you go. You don't go any farther than that unless you're a straight track, all race car, whatever, C4, you know. But it's crazy. And track video coming very soon. We're gonna hit our goal. 6s in the 1/8 mile, 10s in the 1/4 mile, full weight. Junkyard F-150 Coyote with air, power steering, the whole 9 yards. We're going to do it. I'm excited. And we're going to do it with street style suspension and a synchronized transmission to boot. So stay tuned. You don't want to miss it. I promise. In the meantime, big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And yeah, I got to go get to work later.